Okay, for any of you that bought these Vego rolling tomato planters, here's my first impression. They're cuter than the ones I'm going to be replacing them, using these to replace. I like that it has this little gauge so I can see when it needs water. I'm not sure, however, how well I think these trellises are going to hold up. Even just putting it together, some of these plastic connectors are already showing some sign of wear and fatigue. So my fear is that over time that is going to become problematic and these are going to split. My other concern is stability. They tip a lot more easily than I thought they would given the square shape. And also, they're like these little casters on the bottom, but there's no way to lock them. So where I live, and windstorms are extremely common and can be problematic, I'm going to have to find something to stabilize these when they're just sitting out there, and I don't want them just rolling around on their own. But I do want to be able to roll them into the garage when we have a predicted windstorm that I think might be problematic. That's one of the things I liked about it, is that I can pull them in, but I don't want just a random wind gust to send them flying down the street. So that's my 2 cents. We'll see. We'll get them potted up. And I think they each hold about 1 cubic foot of potting mix. So we'll get a couple of tomatoes potted up in here. Some moderate sized ones. The trellis is not all that tall. I'm 5'8", so I'm guessing they come up to, let me see, they come up to my, not quite my shoulder. So, you know, your super tall, 8-10 foot tomato plants obviously are not going to be the ones you would put in here. So I'm going to get a moderate size tomato and a couple of them and put in here and see how we do.